Yo, 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 what's up, people? This is the trailer for the upcoming scheduled video, straight live, coming from the studio at home. We're going to be doing an unboxing of a loot haul of anime prize figures that we got yesterday on the live stream. If you haven't checked that out, I will put the link in the description for this live stream as well. But yes, we're going to be looking at things like the Tokyo Revengers figure here. I got an amazing deal on these. We have another one from Kimetsu no Yaiba, Demon Slayer, and one of my favorites, a classic, one of my favorite, Mercury, Sailor Mercury. Here we go, the Q Posket version, as well as the big hit, yay, that I was able to get for less than 1,000 yen through the Crane Games there at Shinsekai Musubiya. This is what I really want to show you guys. Guys, we'll see you soon in roughly an hour, and hope to see you there. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon, guys. Let's have a good time. Have a good time. See you soon. Bye. Peace.